So what have we been learning about lately?
Angles.
Angles. Good job, Zach. All right, well, in your bag, we have first we have our frame, and I want you to write up here your key topic. So what's your key topic? Angles. Good job. Super. All right, now in your little baggie, you can open up your bag. You're gonna have different things about different angles, and of course, our key angles. So I want you to go through those. And first off, I want you to list the 4 main types of angles at the top of the frame. Very good. Good job. Good, Sheldon. Take your time, no rush. Okay, at the top, I want you to, the main idea, you're going to put your main angles, okay? There you go. And then we're going to break them up. Okay. Good? All right. All right, now you have a bunch of little pieces of paper. Some of them have pictures of angles, some of them have pictures of definitions or facts about these different angles. So think about what you know about adjacent and vertical and supplementary and complementary and place them in their corresponding spots. For example, if we had these are 2 angles when added together equal 90, what is that, Faith? If they equal 90?
Complementary.
Complementary. There you are, Zach. Doing good. Here's some. Think about what they equal. Think about things we've taught you in class.
Hey, Faith, look at this one. Are all of those angles supplementary?
Good job.
No.
Good
I see
job,
one that
Zach.
is, but they're not all
Let me
supplementary.
see, Sheldon.
What is the one characteristic that they all share?
Angles that when added together equal. Very good, Sheldon. These are 2 good, Sheldon. Yes, those are vertical.
adjacent.
Very good.
Angles that share. Yes. Very good. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. What does that equal?
90.
Mm-hmm. Good job, Sheldon. How you doing, Zach? Got some adjacent angles, some vertical angles. B and yes. Kiss yes. Yes. Good job. You're doing good, Zach. Whoop. How you doing, Faith? Look at these. What's 27 plus 63? 27 plus 63.
90.
So what would 90, if 2 angles are equal to 90, what would they equal? All right. Always equal to each other. Good job. Okay. These are non-angles. What do we have over here? Do not have to be next to each other. What doesn't have to be next to each other? They do
Right now,
not
Sheldon, be
share
thinking
a
about,
side,
since you got
but
all
they
these,
share a vertex.
be thinking about what's important. How could you summarize all of that information into one statement about the
Do
angles
not
that
have
we've worked with?
to be next to each other. Oh, that's repetitive. Okay.
Well, actually, there's 2 of them that,
Oh,
that
yeah,
would
there
apply
is.
to.
Who doesn't have to be next to each other? They just have to, very good. They just have to equal. All right, and then looking at this one, what's 120 plus 60?
180.
Rock on. So where would that go? Okay, now look at these. What do we know about adjacent angles?
They share a common vertex and side.
Okay, do these share a common side and vertex?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. And those are non-examples of adjacent. Good job. Okay, now, oh, he's still working. Okay, now that you looked at this, it says, so what's important to understand about this? What would be like the big idea that you should understand about all these angles?
You've got two of those, Zach. Two things that say they don't have to be next to each other. Which one? There you go. Because complementary and supplementary don't have to be next to each other.
Well, they're not all equal, but they all have what? They share a relationship. They
What
all
do those two
share a
angles add up to?
relationship. What do you got there, Sheldon? Can help build. They can't help build houses. That's a good example. If you know different angles, you can help build a house.
Let's see. They share a common side. Good. Okay. That one goes in here. Oh, you know what? You had an extra one. Okay.
Oh,
Sorry
did
about
he?
that. Yeah, I forgot to take that one.
I'm sorry.
Good. Excellent
Pat on
job.
your back. I know they did awesome on the frame. Okay, now think about, Zach, what is like the big idea to know about these angles? What's important to understand about this?
I'm just looking to see what you wrote. Very good.
What do they share? You can take a minute, okay? Do they share like a relationship? They share a relationship of angles, that's right. So that's cool, Sheldon. They share, these ones share a common side and a vertex. These are what always equal. These can be side by side, but they always have to equal what? 180, right? And these always equal what? 90. So do they share like a relationship with each other? Maybe so.
Share what you wrote, Faith.
Yes, share with what you wrote, Faith.
I said all of these angles share relationships.
Okay.
So they have relationships. They're not necessarily the same relationships,
Right.
but they all have a different relationship. And what did you write, Sheldon?
The important thing to understand is that angles can help build a house.
Yeah.
Huge.
That's
Angles are
really cool.
very important. Nice job, guys. So these are the things that are going to be on your test tomorrow. So you can use this. We're going to glue this down, and then you can use this to help you study. Got it?
Sound like a plan? Okay.